Hi. Hey guys, so this is a video. I am swatching all of the Supreme Gloss lip glosses by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm gonna try to do like a text overlay so that you could see which color is which, so that there's no confusion. I like these. I don't think these are as long wearing as meant to be. I find they're opaque. They are definitely an opaque gloss. I think with any gloss, I don't think you're going to get the longevity that you'd want. I personally prefer the regular gloss formula because I like a sheer gloss. However, if you do prefer an opaque gloss, I would suggest these. I think they smell delicious. They smell like cookie dough, kind of, or cupcakes. So yeah, I do like these. Nothing much else I could say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick voiceover here to let you know that my favorite is most definitely Cookie Dough Fetish. I think that one's the most flattering on me. I think a couple of them don't really match their counterpart, their liquid lipstick counterpart. Like Mannequin doesn't really look like the Mannequin liquid lipstick, so to speak. That's to me personally, at least on me it doesn't. But regardless, I wish there was a couple more pinks in it in the line instead of so many nude beiges, but maybe like some natural pink colors would have been nice. But regardless, I just wanted to come on here and thank you guys so much for watching, and I do hope you have a great day. Bye guys.